scripts. Okay, cd space scripts. What happened? Okay, let me see. Django app scripts. Yes, let me clear it. Cd space. Okay, sorry. uh, oh, the script file is in that Django folder, so we have to first go through the Django, and then we can able to go the scripts folder. Okay, now you can see you are in the scripts folder. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to activate just A and use the tab button and activate that virtual environment, and you can see you are in the virtual environment now. Okay, if you want deactivate, just type D and press tab. You can deactivate also, so no need to deactivate now, you can deactivate later. Now what you have to do is you have to start project. For that, what you have to write Django admin. If you write that, you can see what are under Django admin. You can see here check is there, compile messages are there, create catchable db cell diff settings are there, dump data are there. So how that software is created, how you are going through the Django, you have to know the basic things first, then you can able to make some apps or do some website, etc. So after clear, you can also do some portfolio app, or you can do your own app. Okay, we will learn about that. I am also new in this field, but whatever I know I am sharing with you guys. So what now we have to do in that admin.django.admin, you can see here is a run server is there also. You can see here run server is there, so we are going to set a run server. And what happened, you must define the environment Django settings module or call setting configure. Oh, a Django admin. Okay, because manage.py is not there. If you want to run the server, you need to the manage.py file. So what you have to do is you have to create a Django app start project. This start project, uh, suppose I am naming it okay, Pokemon project. Suppose I am writing here Pokemon Django DJ, okay, project, whatever you can name of your app, you can start with that project. So you just click. Okay, now you are on that folder. If you go through that folder, you can see now in the script folder, you can see Pokemon.dj project is there. Now open that folder. You can see here manage.py file is there. So now what next we do is we are going to run that server now. If you write Django admin run server, now it will run. Okay, no, it will not run because we are not in that project actually. we just need to go to that specific folder because that manage.py file is in the Pokemon DJ project folder. So now you can able to run the server and you can begin with the Django project. Django admin run server. But settings are not configured. You must either define the environment variable Django settings module or call setting configure. Okay, some problems are there. So what we need to do is um, we don't need to write this. We have to write okay, no need to write that. You just write um, Python, do some another coding, py up manage.py. Now run server. Okay, that code will be run. Python manage.py run server. Uh, could not import Django. Are you sure it? Okay, maybe in that folder Django is not there. So we need to install Django there. Okay, see, after installing Django, maybe we can, yes, it's collecting the Django using cached. Okay, folder as catching. Okay, good. Let's see what happened. Let's give some time on that. Until now we can go through that create folder. On that create folder you can see Django is there. In scripts folder you can see Pokemon DJ project, and here manage.py is also there. But in that Pokemon DJ project, this is actually the main project folder, and if you can open the file you can see urls.py is there, settings.py is there. There we have to create another files also by .py extension for the app. Now until now if we open that manage.py, okay, I'm opening it with the what file for just the concept clear. Look, it's importing OS, defining the main function, run administrative tasks, environment. Okay, set default path is setting here. Could not import Django. Are you sure? Install? Okay. Okay, it's installed now. It should run. Look, it's running, and after that if you go previously with some another project I also run that. Okay, now just click on Google or any website, any browser you can go, and just write localhost 8000 or 127, that's also good. So you can see it's showing that the install worked successfully. Congratulations, you are setting this page because debug equal to true. That means your Django 3.1 is totally completely installed. If you go to the documentation you can see that their first steps, getting help, overview, download a new, you can go through the community, you can go through the code, you can write code, you can learn code here. Now you can see all codes are also there here. Setup.pr. What are the files, sir? Okay, we will see about that. Now, what is Django actually? Let me talk something about the Django. Okay, Django is high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Until now, that much. We will uh, go through the next topics very soon. Until now, connected to me with my YouTube and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel because I am going to upload the new Django videos also whatever I am learning in that time. So thank you. I am stopping my sharing screen and bye bye until now. Okay.